How to create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel official help text. Now let's get started. Open your CapCut. Here we go. Tap on the option new project. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here you have to select the pictures that you want to use for collage. Here I will be selecting few pictures. After you select the pictures, tap on the option of add given at the bottom right. Now what you have to do is tap on the picture. Now shrink the picture and put it to one corner to create a collage in this way. After you do that, at the bottom you'll find different options. Just scroll to the right. You will find the option of overlay. Tap on it. Now apply the same process for another picture. Just tap on the picture. Shrink this picture as well. Again tap on the option and add overlay. Now tap on the another picture and fix the position of this picture. After you are done, you can just export this. So this is how you can create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.